CJ from CJ's Keto Kitchen. So tonight I made basically Zoodle spaghetti for my dinner. I use ragu as my sauce. Just regular ragu, classic Alfredo sauce. It's got fewer carbs. These Alfredo sauces have fewer carbs than, say, tomato sauces that you buy from the store. So we have kind of gone, for the last, almost year, we have gone to prefer just the Alfredo sauce for our spaghetti or zoodles. I did make, however, angel hair pasta for my daughter. So although she likes the zoodles as well, I did make her some angel hair pasta tonight. And this is 4 ounces of zucchini that was done in my spiralizer. So anyway, that's another Keto Quick cooking episode. And again, it's all about showing you that keto doesn't have to be difficult. You can live it as a lifestyle. It probably took me longer to get the regular pasta cooked than it did to make the entire dish. So anyway, hope you guys have a great week, and we'll be talking to you later. Peace.